This is Stephen, and this question is testing your ability to understand information from a word problem, but also understanding how statistics work, and particularly finding accurate statistics. So the question reads, Terry is planning a survey to try to determine the average number of hours students at her school spend watching TV. Which sample of students will give her the most reliable information about the students in her school? So it's important to note whenever you do a survey that you want to have as many different types of people as possible to kind of get a good sample of an entire population. So you can think of it like sample size, sample group, however. But look at the answer choices. Looking at A, her friends. B, a random sample of all the students in the school. C, all of the students that show up to watch a football game. Or D, a random sample of the students in the library before school. So in order to have a reliable glimpse of everybody at her school, or what would be the average number of hours all of the students in her school would spend watching TV, she needs to get as many different types of students from that school as possible. So if she's looking at her friends, these are just going to be people that share these same interests and how they spend their day. If you look at B, a random sample of all of the students in the school, this is looking very promising because this is just pulling from anybody and everybody at the school. C, all the people that show up to watch a football game, they're going to be spending a lot of their time in a similar manner, watching TV or going to football games or doing things that are related because they have some similar interests. And the same is true for D, a random sample of the students in the library before school. So these students are probably going in to read, they may be studying, but this is how they spend their time. So A, C, and D are going to bias the results a little bit. So the only possible answer that creates the most reliable result would be answer choice B, a random sample of all the students in the school.